In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Gcash account. Let's get started by opening the Gcash app on your mobile device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before you begin. This ensures a smooth verification process without any interruptions. Once you have the app open, tap on the profile icon. It's usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This brings you to your personal account settings, where you can manage your details and preferences. Now, let's check if your account is already verified. This is important because a verified account offers enhanced security and access to more features. If you see a verification badge next to your profile information, congratulations, you're already verified. You can stop here. If your account is not verified, don't worry. Simply select the option that says Verify Now. This will guide you through the necessary steps to complete the verification process. It's a straightforward procedure, and I'll walk you through it. At this point, just follow the on-screen instructions to continue. The app will prompt you to provide some personal information and upload identification documents. Be sure to take your time and enter accurate details. This is crucial because mismatched information can delay the verification process. Here's an important note. Verification results are usually sent via SMS within 3 days, so after completing the steps, keep an eye on your messages for any updates. This will keep you informed about the status of your verification. Now, let's talk about the documents you'll need. Use a clear, non-expired ID when uploading your identification. This is essential as expired IDs won't be accepted, and it can slow down your verification. Also, make sure to capture your ID in a well-lit area. Good lighting ensures that all details are visible and easily readable by the system. Next, you'll need to take a selfie scan. Ensure your face is fully visible and free from obstructions like hats or sunglasses. This step is crucial for confirming your identity and matching it with your ID. Being in a well-lit area also helps here, as it makes sure your selfie is as clear as possible. Finally, double-check that the details on your Gcash account match those on your ID. This consistency is vital for a successful verification. Any discrepancies could result in your application being rejected, which means you would need to start the process again. So, take a moment to review everything. With that ready, you've completed the verification steps. Just wait for the SMS confirmation, and you'll soon have full access to your Gcash account's features. By verifying your account, you're also ensuring a higher level of security and trust. This step is beneficial not just for accessing more features, but also for safeguarding your financial transactions. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Remember, a verified account is a secure account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Gcash's help resources. That's it for today's guide. Good luck with your verification and enjoy the enhanced features of your Gcash account.